All right, so I want to remind you, I guess, because I've shown you all this in the past, remind you of a trick for solving this. What they want you to do, and I'll probably do it at the end of the video, is they want you to factor this and then solve it using the zero product property. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these answer options and I'm going to plug them into the equation and see if it gives me 0. So I'm going to do 3/4 store to x, and I'm just going to type this original in. 8x squared minus 10x plus 3. And voila, it does give you 0. So 3/4 is an answer. All right, but now I got to check the 2/3 because there's two answers that have 3/4. All right, let's do 2/3 store to x. And then we can just go back up and reevaluate this. Enter. And we do not get 0. All right, so this is not the answer. All right, so B's out. This one's probably out because it doesn't have a 3/4. So it's probably D. We'll do 1/2 store to x and go back up and evaluate that again. And it does give you 0. Great. So that is the answer. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and we'll work it the right way here, the way they intend you to do it. So we're going to factor this thing. We'll use that little AC method. Actually, you know what? I'm actually going to factor it just my old school way because it's a plus sign, so it's going to be easy. All right. It could be an 8x and a 1x, but it's probably a 2x and a 4x. You know, judging by the answers here. You know, they got a 4 and a 2 in the denominator. All right, equals 0. So it's the same signs because it's a plus sign there, and they're both minuses. All right, now these two numbers have to be numbers that multiply to 3. So it's either a 1 and a 3, or it's a 3 and a 1. Let me try this combination. That's 8x squared. That's positive 3. These other ones, they got to multiply and add to give you the negative 10 here. This is it. Yeah. So 2x and the 3 will make a 6x. And then this is going to make a 4x. And the 4x and the 6x will give you the 10x. Okay. So that's your factored form. And now we're going to set those factors equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 equals 0. And 4x minus 3 equals 0. Remember whenever it was like x minus 4, if it was like this, then you automatically know what x is. X would equal 4 in order for this to give us 0, but these aren't so simple. All right, add 1 to both sides, you'll get 2x equals 1. Divide by 2, and you'll get 1 over 2. Add 3 to both sides, you'll get 4x equals 3. And then divide by 4, you'll get 3 over 4. All right, that's good.